In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to book flight tickets online on Expedia. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Expedia and book your next flight. So you will be able to visit the Expedia website at expedia.com, or you can do this process through the latest version of their mobile app. In here on the home screen, you will be able to choose between stays, flights, cars, packages, things to do, and cruises. So just go ahead and choose flights. Now, they offer three options: a round trip, one way, or multi-city. You can choose whichever one you prefer. For the purposes of this video and to make it simple, I'm gonna choose one way. Depending on what you select, you will have more options to browse through, but the process is generally the same. You will have to include an origin and then a destination. So include them here. You can switch spots if needed, and then you can choose between exact dates or a somewhat close date. If you chose a one-way just like me, they will only offer the option to choose the exact date that you will be traveling. So just choose accordingly, click done, and then choose the amount of passengers. You can choose for adults, children between 2 and 17, infants on lap younger than 2, and then infants on seat younger than 2 as well. Make sure that you select this accordingly because all of this will be verified later and you have to confirm the contact information for all passengers. So when you click search, according to your filters, all of the flights will be displayed. Now you can control the dates over here at the top, and you will notice that this can also be useful to compare prices. So on this specific date, I can get the lowest price around this week. So as you can see, for $54. But of course, you can just keep browsing until you find a better deal. So it would be this flight here from Frontier Airlines. You can compare prices, you will see who the flight is operated by, and you have plenty of filters at the left. I'm not going to go over all of them, but you should carefully take your time and browse through all of them if you wish. Once you click a departing flight, you might have to choose a returning flight depending on what you set up at the beginning, but because I chose a one-way flight, I won't be able to choose a return one. Now, you will see all of the additional options. So you have the fare, and then you can add seats. If you pay an additional fee, you might be able to get one with more leg room and so on. And then you can get additional bags. Click checkout, go to checkout, and now you will be able to browse through all of the payment information. You will be able to confirm your contact information and get this process done. The flight will be attributed to your account, and you can access the information whenever needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to book flight tickets online Expedia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.